my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. I am Esther Michelle and I'm back with another install. Oh my freaking goodness, this was probably one of my favorite installs. Like, and I'm not gonna say so far because that'd probably be a lie. I love them all, but one of my favorites in a long time, I will say. And it came out so freaking cute. So here's me in the beginning. You know, we start off bald. Well, not really bald because I don't have my cornrows in. I got one fat braid, and of course you guys are not going to see that because I barely want to show my cornrows. My hair right now, or in this video, was truly a neglect. But anyways, I went and I showed you guys the inside cap construction. It's a 13 by 6, you know, in the middle and all that stuff. And I had on a stocking cap. I almost said a swim cap. I had on a stocking cap because, you know, I really wanted to try and slick my hair down and get it flat as I could because it wasn't in braids. So yeah, and it did the job. And let me just say, first of all, that was way too much lace. Like, why? Second, I did like a different thing with my plucking and I freaking love it. I probably plucked for like 10 minutes. I probably only went, like, y'all know how when y'all plucking, y'all, you know, do one layer and you do a layer back and a layer back and a layer back. You get what I'm saying? If you don't, you know, watch a plucking tutorial, I had to brush my sideburns up, even though they're gonna give me issues anyway. But I had to brush them up because I had did a different tutorial where I used them. Anyways, sidetrack, derailed. I only went back probably like twice. Like, I did one section behind like the actual hairline, then I did the actual hairline, and I was probably done like 10-15 minutes. And I love it. Like, I'm sorry I'm not telling y'all what I'm doing here because it's a lot of self-explanatory stuff. Yeah. You guys see me do this a million times. You've seen everybody do this a million times. A lot of these videos are repetitive, we're gonna be honest. Anyways, neither here nor there. I love the plucking I did because it's not like it's over plucked, but it's not under plucked, it's plucked enough. So I don't know, y'all. I might have to do a little video on a little pluck, and it's gonna be 2 minutes, but it's gonna be something. Because I really was like overly satisfied with the pluck job. And then I cut off more lace. Let's get back to what I'm doing. Sorry, I cut off more lace because it was still, like, you know, in my way. So yeah, and I feel like I was really excited for this install. I really was. 28 inches of curly hair. I ain't did 28 inches in a long time. Last time I had 28 inches was in high school and I cut it. And it was more like a 24, 26 because I thought the 28 looked, you know, a little bit too much, not my speed. But this my speed, nah. I'm grown now. Anyway, let me stop. I'm being annoying. Anyway, I went back and cleaned my forehead up, you know, just so that, you know, the glue would stick and everything would, you know, be good and all that good stuff. Because, you know, you want a clean, dirt-free, makeup-free, oil-free forehead when you go and put, like, you know, this glue. It would be best if you did a what's the name of that stuff? Not skin prep, skin guard. So I know Boho has one. I know Erica J has one. I don't have one though. I need to get one. I think by the next time I do an install, I'm gonna try like the Erica J. I know I'm way behind with that. I have not stopped this voiceover yet. Oh my god. Let me give you a break. I'm sorry. I know that was a real short break, but I had to come back and say this. I accidentally did 5 layers. I didn't tell you how many layers I did. I had accidentally did 5 layers because my third and 4th layer I let dry by accident. So yes, me sticking this down is on my 5th layer, and I'm not gonna lie, when I stuck this wig down, it like lifted my eyebrows, gave me a whole facelift. Like, it pulled everything to the back. Okay, it was a lot. Y'all see how I'm looking real? That's why I was saying right here, it gave me a facelift. I'm looking real threaded up around the eyes. But I don't know, I love this install so much. I really love the hairline. I don't know whose hairline that is that I was mimicking, baby. I love it. It looks so nice and so natural. I kind of gave like a little bit of a widow's peak inadvertently, but it looks good. It really did. But anyways, yeah, my sideburns gave me an issue. I was gonna try and do the whole around them. I don't do this, you guys. I ended up putting glue on my sideburns. I promise my sideburns are fine because my wigs get taken off for the most part properly. Don't put glue on your hair though, because if you take it out wrong, that glue is gonna take your hair out, and you're gonna be missing sideburns, edges, and if you put glue anywhere else, a lot more. So do as I say, not as I do, please. I don't want anybody, you know, I watch your video now, I got no edges. That's a bad look. But yeah, let me just, you know, stick the rest of this down, and then I'm gonna get into baby hairs, I think. Maybe not. Let's just see. No, I lied. Not baby hairs. I had to clean up extra glue because I put glue a little bit too far down. So, we were doing the responsible thing, cleaning the rest of that glue up. And it was taking off most of my makeup, but what else? Okay, so after spraying down my hairline and putting on a satin scarf, it's time to get into the styling. I did not know what style I wanted to do. I didn't know what side. I didn't know if I wanted to do a side part or a middle part. Then if I did do a side part, I didn't know if I wanted to do left or right. I wanted to do a half up, half down at one point. I think I cut that part out though because it was just a lot. Yeah, no, I didn't. I left it in. It was a lot going on. I never know what style I want to do. I just know I want to sit down and film doing my hair, but I don't know how I want to do my hair. And that's my problem. And I didn't want to do a middle part at the time because it was just like, I always do a middle part. I got a middle part now with it, but yeah. And I don't know. You guess what I'm going to do? Oh, wait, never mind. It's in the thumbnail. That's stupid. Sorry. Anyways, y'all know I ended up doing the side part. So I did my side part and then took my scarf off and it looked amazing. I really liked it. Some of the hairs was like laying down on the stuff, but I really did. I liked it. I was in love. So after I went back and cleaned some stuff up, pulled some hairs out, little stuff, I went and redid my part because how I did the part with the scarf on just didn't look right. So I redid it. And, I gave myself that little curvature so that the baby hair could go in it. Y'all, I did that. I loved it. Like the trendy side part, how everybody doing it. You know what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna just do that. And then I'm gonna carve on my baby hairs and I'll be back. This is like my second or third time trying this part of the voiceover. I cannot figure out how to explain this portion of hair, but baby hairs. I just cut out kind of a big chunk, carved out a big chunk, got out some more. And for this look, I did want like a full hairline of baby hairs. I know, the two is cute. Don't get me wrong. The two is cute. But I forgot how much I missed a full hairline of baby hairs. So we're going to do this one here. It's taking me a minute because I was trying to be a perfectionist to the best of my not perfect abilities. And then I went in with some of my Care wax stick just to, mold that hair to the side and then mold the other hair to the other side so that we was giving part. And then I went in and took a middle section, for the baby hairs too. And then I went and took a section on the other side. And then my sideburns. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys just go on and watch that, and I'll be back. after I had out my premeditated baby hairs, I went in and just put the hot comb to where I put the wax at, just to, you know, even further solidify my part. And then my baby hairs got cut off. The camera had cut off, but it was okay. So I was like, you know what? It took me closest to an hour anyway. So, you know, y'all know what I did. What did I do, y'all? I swooped and duped. It's nothing else to do with baby hairs. And then I put some mousse on the hairline just to like prep it before I laid down my scarf. So I put a little bit of mousse on, kind of a lot. This is like the right, I forget what the name of this brand is, but it's like that standard mousse. For me, it's like the standard mousse. Like, it's not Nairobi, it's not none of the big brands, it's like the standard. Like, you get it, like, you get it when you don't feel like spending a whole bunch of money on others. I think it's like $3. I'm not gonna lie to nobody, if that. But it's alcohol free, so it got the job done. So I put the hair up, and then I put on a satin scarf just to hold it, you know, and all that good stuff while I styled the hair, actually. So I did take a blow dry to it just a little bit, but you know, halfway through that, I just was like, you know what, let me just style the hair, and that'll be, you know, my blow dry. Okay, so to kickstart my styling process with this hair, I took a Y2 comb and I just, you know, combed it through, make sure all the kinks and stuff were out before I went in with this leave-in conditioner from TGin or TGIN. It's a rose water conditioner. I love the smell of it, and I like how it does the hair. So I just wetted just a little bit because I don't like soaking wet curls. It's not really my favorite. I want them to look hydrated. So I just put a little bit of water, and then I, you know, did the leave-in, and it looked really, really cute. So I just did that all over, and then I'm gonna go in with, just give me 1 second. Let's just wash the rest of this together. Rude. Okay, so then I went in with this Shine Infusion from Chi, and this is basically oil sheen, y'all. It's just to give it a little bit of shine, a little bit of luster, you know, just to make it more lustrous, just a little bit, because the leave-in conditioner did a great job. But you know, especially to get these ends just a little bit of love. Yeah, I went in with that, and then I am going to take off, no I'm not, sorry, I'm going to take my rat tail comb and basically part into my side part and flatten it out, because it was looking a little Humpty Dumpty. And you know, you watch me consistently, I personally don't go for that. If you do, that's your business, your wig, and I love that for you, but not me. Super duper sorry, I can't, I don't like that. Like, I don't want it to be super duper flat on my head, but I don't want it to be big either. I like big hair, but not in the sense that this was looking. Just no. So yeah, I went and I flattened that out some, and then after this, wow, then after this, okay. My dog decided to have a fit, but anyways, now that he's done, I, you know, put mousse on everything, and then I looked at it and see how everything was looking, and it looked so cute. Then I noticed that the back of my part was looking like a zigzag, so I said, hold up, you know, let me fix that. So then we got it all together and actually made it like a, you know, 13 by 6. This one ain't, you know what I'm saying? It's like, no, wait, no, stop, I'm sorry, let me start over. Anyways, I went back and fixed that, and you know, I was just putting like the finishing touches on the style because I am really close to being finished, and I wanted to put like a little bit more heat on my part. You know, I think it looks really nice, looks really cute. I love doing my hair, I do. Then I went through and I like, cause you know I did put mousse on it. I can't remember what I used to do my actual baby hairs because like I told y'all my camera had cut off, and I didn't know till I was finished. And this was, you know, a little while ago. But I think I know something was wrong with this one because it wasn't brushing out, so it could have been mousse on that one part, but the rest had to be like mousse or something. Because you know how when you do your baby hairs with mousse and you brush them out or comb them out and they're like fluffy and stuff, they were all giving it except for that one part, which was fine. It was okay. You know, the good outweighed the bad in this situation. And then I let all my hair down just to look and see what it was looking like. And I went through and on the other side, not this side, the other side. Just give me a second. I thought I was done. I thought I was, but I wasn't. I'm going to show y'all a close up too. See how thought I done I was? What? Anyways, I had to pluck that because it was a little bit too thick once I like combed it and brushed it out and stuff like that. So I plucked that, and here I was just, you know, I was through. I was done. So I'm gonna go, you know, look cute, and then I'm gonna change in a little bit into my favorite color, and then I'm gonna be done, like all the way done, 110%, and 110% satisfied as well. I was happy. I felt really pretty. So thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you stay tuned for the next one.